everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about Math 12 Trigonometry Part 16. Okay, so 16, 17, 18, and 19 are in one unit. We're going to talk about how to solve trigonometry equations. Please make sure you watch all of them at once. Okay, so we're going to find out cosine theta equal to 1/2. What theta is going to be? Okay, just solving this equation here. Okay, we have so many different ways to solve this kind of equations. Okay, I'm sure the teacher will also give you some introductions. Okay, however, there are good ways, there are bad ways, so I'm going to show you all of them. The left-hand side is one traditional way using graph to find out the solutions. The right-hand side is the way I like more, is using unit circle to solve it. Okay, here it is. So we know how to graph cosine functions by now, right? So we have a 0 to 2 pi as our period. 1 is maximum, -1 is minimum. We draw a shape, like just normal shape. And then we draw y equal to 1/2 line here. The intersections with the circle and then square is our intersect. So the x value is the intersections is what we're looking for, which is this part and then this part. Okay, so we have 0 is here is 1 pi, right? We separate this 1 pi into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 part. So that will be the second part, which is 2/6, which is 1 pi over 3. That is this x value. The other one, okay, maybe it's hard to find out how much is it, but be careful. This thing is a symmetry. Okay, this is symmetry from here. That means from this side is pi over 3. From the other side, also pi over 3. So we can using 2 pi minus pi over 3 to find out. So 2 pi is 6 pi over 3 minus pi over 3 equal to 5 pi over 3. So the 5 pi over 3 and then pi over 3 is our solutions. Make sense? Okay, so this is sounds easy one. However, on the exams, it's pretty hard to draw so accurate graph, right? Sometimes, drawing graphs, you don't know exactly how much it is here. So this part, this method is more like validations. You have done your solutions and then you use this graph to check if you've done the correct things or not. All right, so what about unit circle way? So I have taught how to graph unit circle on part 2, I think. Part 2 or part 3, okay, you find out. Okay, so in the part 2, I show you exactly how to draw the unit circles without memorizing anything. Remember? Okay, so you just draw this unit circle on your own, and then we can use them in those kind of questions. Okay, y equal to 1/2. So the 1/2 is for cosine value, which is the first value here. The second one is for sine, right? Okay, we're looking for the first value, which is 1/2. We just draw a vertical line. Okay, now we got this angle, which is pi over 3. The other angle is 5 pi over 3. So this is way easier to find out, right? So this is pi over 3 here. This is 5 pi over 3. And done. We finished. Okay, so however, there's one thing. General solutions. A lot of students seems very confused about these terms. What is general solutions? Okay, if you said you're done, pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3 is the solutions. What about 7 pi over 3? If you punch 7 pi over 3 into your calculators, you will cosine 7 pi over 3, you will get exactly half. That means you are missing solutions. Okay, so you're missing the solutions is also correct, which is your problems. So how do we include all kind of question here? All kind of solution here. So pi over 3, 5 pi over 3, pretty much think about this. Every period for cosine functions, there will be 1 point here, 1 point here, right? That means every 2 pi is going to be repeating himself. 7 pi over 3 just equal to pi over 3 plus 2 pi, isn't it? Okay, so if you try, the 11 pi over 3 is also the correct solutions because 11 pi over 3 is the 5 pi over 3 plus 2 pi. Okay, that means every 2 pi we're going to repeat ourselves. So we just add 2 pi and we're done. We got another two solutions. What about we add another 2 pi? There will be another 2. So we have infinity many solutions here. So how do we represent that? So here it is. Theta equal to pi over 3 plus minus 2k pi. Okay, I'm going to use different color for the k here. Because k is just generals, you must be using k here. What about the 2 pi? The 2 pi just equal to the period. Later, if you're trying to solve tangent functions, it's not 2 pi anymore, it's maybe k pi. Okay, later if you're solving some other functions like, a half theta or something, we find out the period equal to pi or even to anything. So this just the period. The 2 and the pi will be the period. And then the k just standard, have to be here. Okay, so I will show more examples later. Okay, so theta equal to pi over 3 plus 2k pi or 5 pi over 3 plus minus 2k pi, where k going to belong to integer or belong to the natural number or whole number is up to you. There's no hard regulation about that, so you can just say belong to integer and that's it. Okay, so if you want to know the differences between the whole number, natural numbers, integers, real numbers, irrational numbers, all these kind of things, please refer my grade 10 videos. I have a big video about the number system there. Okay, so right now I'm not going to go through this. Okay, so the theta equal to these things, that is our general solutions. Make sense? All right, so please let me know if you have any questions. I will answer your question in my next videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe. That will be a big help for me. All right, thank you so much.